So the today headlines was the scholarship fraud in the Jharkhand, and that has happened with the students of tribal population. Another was farm law passed by Rajasthan Legislative Assembly against the central law. These are the two major headlines of the today newspapers.
What's going in France?
Sir, France event has happened after the portray of cartoon of Prophet Muhammad. A school teacher has been beheaded, and after that, action was initiated by the French President Emmanuel Macron, and that further also led to the death of 3 people by the radical people in the Nice in France.
And what did the French president have said about this?
He has said to fight against the Islamic extremists, and freedom of speech need to be respected, and that will always be prevail in France.
What is freedom of speech?
Yes, sir. Freedom of speech, sir. So freedom of speech is the expression of an idea by an individual through verbally, visually, or physically means, and it is guaranteed in the Indian Constitution under Article 19.
Can you explain Article 19?
Yes, sir. So under Article 19 is the fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution, which provides freedom of speech, expression, profession, and residence throughout the country. Every person has the every citizen of the country has this fundamental right, and this is not available to the foreigners, sir.
Okay, and suppose that state is violating under Article 19, where should we go and what should we do?
Then, sir, we can move to the Supreme Court, sir. That
The Supreme Court. Mask नीचे के जो
yes, sir, we can move High Court, sir.
under which article?
Under Article 236 of Indian Constitution to move High Court, and Article 32 to move Supreme Court, sir.
What 236?
And that violation of fundamental right and any other legal right, and an individual can move to the High Court for restoration of those rights.
You have done your graduation from BHU
Yes, sir.
in political science and history, economics, and political science. Yeah, can you difference between macro and microeconomics?
Yes, sir. So the microeconomics deals with the mainly individuals and its approach and its various phenomena like demand, supply, and marginal changes in it, and how it is getting affected. And macroeconomics deals with a major portion like inflation, public policy, money and banking. So these are what.
Okay, what is zero-based budget?
So yes, I'm not.
Gender budget?
Yes, sir. The gender budget is any scheme which was initiated by the government of India. How it is affecting the gender? What is the contribution and what is the component of gender associated with that scheme and that particular budget?
Can you tell me about the Estimate Committee of Parliament?
Yes, sir. Sir, the Estimate Committee of Parliament is the committee. I'm not exactly aware of the its composition. It is from both sides or one side from one house, sir. But it deals with the assessment of estimates that has been done by the government with regard to the budget and allocation to the different ministries, how it is done, and other expenditure that government is planning to do.
Can you tell me about the Arthashastra, the book Arthashastra?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is the book written by Chanakya. It is mainly political in nature. It is mainly deals with the statecraft and tools of the state, machinery of the state. It talks about the Mandal theory. It talks about the how the state should behave with its subjects. It also talks about how the state should earn the revenue. Yes.
Suppose, tell me where the your organization like paramilitary forces will placed in Arthashastra.
Sir,
हम इन paramilitary forces की बात करें तो इनको अर्थशास्त्र में कहाँ रख सकते हैं?
so it will be put in its uses for the protecting the border areas. We can use this CAPF, and we are using this CAPF, and also for the intelligence gathering along the border and across the border. We are using CAPF on that front. From the Earthsat point of view, we are also using these forces to protect the critical infrastructure of the economy, which is also one of the major concern of the Chanakya to let the state grow economically. Another dimension was to keep the areas peaceful, like we are using the CRPF for the LWE and Northeast insurgency. And along with that, state should always be ready to fight against the disaster by its machinery, and we are doing that with the help of CAPF, sir. So we are large extent we are helping. We are using CAPF in according to the vision of.
Okay. What's your hobbies?
Sir, doing Vipassana meditation.
What is Vipassana?
Sir, Vipassana is a word which talks about V plus Pasana. V means special, Pasana means look. Looking at the thing how it is exactly it is, not with the prejudices and our previous understanding, sir. And it is taught by Gautam Buddha, sir.
Gautam Buddha.
Yes, sir.
And you belong from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about the thought of Buddhism.
So the Buddhism talked about that four truth, that world is full of sorrow. There is a reason to the sorrow that can be removed, and Ashtangik Marg is the way to deal with that. And Buddhism also believes in rebirth, that consciousness takes rebirth over the accordingly, and after it's attaining paramitas, like attaining perfection in the
How
way.
Buddhism was different from the Vedic religion?
So Buddhism do not believe in ritual practices as it has in case of Vedic religions, and Vedic religion also believes in gods, nature, worship of nature and other deities, but that is not with the case of Buddhism. He always believes in Appa Dipo Bhava, apne Deepak khud bano, and this is what the main difference between them, sir.
What you have learned from the Battle of Buxar?
So the Battle of Buxar taught us many things, that if our army is not organized, if we are not disciplined, and we do not have capacity, then the size do not matter at all, and that has happened in case of Buxar. The three army got defeated by the smaller British East Indian troops. Yes, sir, this is the main learning, sir.
When Banaras Hindu University was established,
1916, sir.
what was the motto of this university?
Vidya Amrit Masnute.
What does it mean?
Knowledge makes us immortal.
Do you think that really the knowledge makes us immortal?
Yes, sir, it is true, sir.
We are promoting a knowledge-based society.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain this knowledge-based society?
So knowledge-based society is society mainly deals with the Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of its exact definition.
Mr. Asutosh, tell me the problems of Prayagraj. What are the problems there?
So the major problem that Prayagraj is facing is its lack of educational facilities in the rural areas. Another problem is the problem in irrigation, that is due to the drying of rivers and not having sufficient water. Another is poor healthcare facilities there. So these are the major challenges.
Okay. And how the problems of the Prayagraj are different from the problem of Buxar?
So both are almost similar, sir. But Prayagraj a bit in developed form in case of Buxar. Health-wise, education-wise, sir.
So which one city you like best?
Sir, I like Buxar. All the facilities I like, but I like more Buxar, sir.
Okay. Do you know about the soft skill training program? Do you know anything about soft skill training program?
No, sir, I do not know, sir.
Soft skill, have you heard this?
Yes, sir, I have
What
heard it.
exactly it is?
Soft skill means it is a communication which are soft in nature, which is intangible, which is not visible as such. That is skill, like communication skill, interpersonal skill. Yes, so these are.
Okay. Recently, the election is going on in Bihar.
Yes,
There
sir.
are two leaders.
Yes,
One side we have Nitish Kumar, another side we have Tejasvi Yadav.
yes, sir.
Suppose you have to choose one of these. So, to whom you will choose?
Sir, Nitish Kumar, sir.
Why not Tejasvi Yadav?
Because Nitish Kumar is a veteran. He has done a lot to the Bihar state, education, law and order, and other public services. He has done a very good job. And Tejasvi is a newcomer, and he is not, and he is, his work is yet to be seen, and he is not that much promising, especially to me, sir.
And suppose you have to choose any of the political parties. So, towards which political party?
Like, sir, example, do I have?
There are so many political parties. You have to go for a particular political party. So, to which political party you will like best?
Sir, I will vote. So the political parties which will have a vision for the development of Bihar for
Which
its
one you
people.
like?
So every parties has some good thing and some bad
You
thing.
have to choose one of them. Because you can't vote for all.
Yes, sir. I will choose Nitish Kumar, sir.
Nitish Kumar's party.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.